Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Yeedi mobile app settings for the Yeedi C12 Combo. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, here's a look at the device setup within our Yeedi account. We can select start to have it start cleaning. If it's out and about, it can recharge and return home. We can also select the enter option to be taken into all of our app and device settings right here. You'll notice battery percentage, vacuum mode. We have our map right here. Down at the bottom, we have multiple tabs. Auto clean, so that's going to clean everywhere. We have room clean here. You can pick and choose on the map where you want it to clean. And we can add multiple zones for zone cleaning, up to 5 zones. Then at the bottom of that, we can adjust our cleaning settings. So 4 different suction power settings. And then we can do 1 or 2 cleaning passes. So that's a quick look at this screen. There's the return to station button too. Now in the top right-hand corner, we have 3 icons. We'll start with the leftmost icon. We're going to select that. That's our map display settings. So we have 4 different boxes we can check or uncheck depending on what we want to display or not display. Then we have our middle icon. This is our map management. Top right-hand corner, we can map our home. This can save up to 3 maps at one time. We have 2 maps already saved. And we can edit these maps. So 3 dots right here, we can back up, restore, name, or delete. And then we can also select the Add Edit Map button. We can add virtual walls and barriers. That's the linear line right here. And then you can choose it to be a no-go zone or no mopping area. Really interesting that we have the no mopping option, since this is technically just the vacuum version of the C12, even though the C12 does have a mopping model out there. But really interesting that we still have that on this particular unit's app settings and software. Same with the rectangular box. We can set up a no-go zone or a no mopping area, even though it technically doesn't have a mopping feature on this. The cordless vacuum cleaner, a part of the combo, does have that, but that's manual and there's no app controls for that. But that's our virtual boundaries. Then we can combine our rooms and stuff, and we can rename them here. So that's your room settings. And there's the divide and the combine, depending on how you want to build out your map. So in this case, if we wanted to divide a room, we could do this one. And then we could basically just rotate this guy if we wanted to. And we could divide it right about there, would be good enough, I think, for us. Call it a day. And now we have added another room on our map. If that needs to be one room, well, then you just reverse this and hit the combine option and select your rooms. And that brings us to our last icon, top right-hand corner, the settings gear icon. We can view our cleaning history. So take a look at the breakdown of a previous clean. Gives you lots of information. I love that you can see exactly on the map where it cleaned. And then the dotted line is where it was driving. We have our scheduling options, so we can add a schedule here. We have maintenance settings here, knowing when it's time to change or replace certain parts and components. We have our sequence options, so we can adjust the cleaning sequence here based on how we have it selected. You can build that out on your map. Intelligent settings here, we can toggle on or off auto empty and suction boost on carpets. More settings here, do not disturb, child lock, auto resume, instant auto empty, and you can adjust the area unit. And then further down, it's just device things like language and volume, about, a help section, and then we can find the robot if it's missing around the house. So that's a quick look at the Yeedi C12 Combo Yeedi mobile app settings. Very easy to find and customize settings and features within the mobile app. It's not overwhelming. The layout's clean and simple and straightforward, which is what you want.